What's up, guys? Today we have a Ford Explorer 2016 with over 150,000 miles in the shot. Our customer concern is when we're at a stoplight, the vehicle starts shuddering. So we'll do a quick look over the vehicle. All right, so with the vehicle running, we don't see any problems, but they complained about it while it was in gear. So we're going to put it in gear, and we can feel a slight shuddering from the vehicle. And since we can feel the misfire now, we're going to use the power balance test for Ford. So Ford's power balance test shows us which cylinders are doing their job fully. So what we'll do is we'll put it in gear and test it. And you can see the ones that the lines drop far down on are the cylinders that are bad. The power balance test only showed cylinder 1 and 3, but we're going to change all of them due to the age of the vehicle just to make sure the vehicle doesn't come back. And probably add a fuel additive to it as well.